And welcome to the Corel Photo Paint 2021 tutorial. Although I'm using the Mac edition, the same can be done with the Windows edition. So let's get started. Today's video is about replacing a color in a photo. So in Photo Paint, I'm going to open a file. So from the File menu, open. And then just access from the desktop, I have a folder called Recording, and I'll use my Smiling Breakfast photo. So from the photo, you can see there's a lot of yellow, and I want to change the cheese slice here to a different color. So I like to use the feature called Replace Colors. So it can be found in the Adjustment Inspector, but if your inspectors are closed, you can go to the Windows menu, Inspectors, and Enable Adjustments. So since I have it open, I'll leave it there. Replace color is not there by default, so you can click on the plus sign here and go down to Replace Colors. Alright, so let's select the original color we want to change and just click on the yellow. Doesn't have to be very precise. So as you can see, it picked our yellow here. I'll change the hue to see what it could be changed to. So now I changed the hue to a purple, so as you can see the purple is there, but it's not perfect. I still have some yellow here. So let's fix it. So if you go to the wheel and change the saturation range, and we'll get it closer to the whites, you can see it really improved here. And we'll move it just a bit more closer to the whites. That's pretty good because we have the glare from the light in there, so we want to keep that portion. So now everything's in purple, but let's say I just wanted to change the yellow of this slice here, not everything. There's this neat feature called Local Adjustment. So you click on the gear, go to Local Adjustments, and you see where we change the color of the hue. It made a mask marquee around all the areas where the hue is, or the purple I should say. So we want to only keep this purple here, but we want to keep the original colors for the rest of the photo. So we'll go in subtractive mode to remove that mask for the colors that are unwanted. I already had switched it to 400 for my nib size, so I have a larger nib, and I'm just removing my mask here. So you can see the original colors are coming back to normal. So just make sure to remove all that mask marquee, not to interfere with the photo modifications later. And we just keep removing until it's to our satisfaction and there's no more mask for areas we don't want. So as you can see, it's pretty straightforward, pretty simple. So now we've got the purple of the yellow cheese slice that's still showing, and the original image is still showing for the rest. So we'll click on the pick tool. This will kick us out of the local adjustment mode. As you can see here, it's not checked, and our slice is purple. So your project could be done right there, or you can say, I want to change it to a different color. So you can move your hue slider to different areas to get different colors, as you can see, like this. And you can see there's imperfections, so that's the nice part. You can go back here, go back to local adjustments, and again in negative mode, or subtractive mode I should say, and this time we'll make our nib smaller. So I'll change that number, let's say to 100, so it's a smaller nib. And I'll remove the areas that I didn't tweak in the first place. See how it's easy to just touch and go, fix and go. No stress, everything's hunky-dory. And I can even tweak it here. And I'm going quickly for this video, but obviously you can zoom in way more and take more time to update this image. So as you can see, this is how quickly and how fast you can replace colors in photos. Hope this helped. Hope you have fun with this feature, and have a good day, everyone.